Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing how I make my Yorkshire puddings. A few of you did request this video and I am so sorry that it's taken a while for me to do this, but I've just been working a lot and we had a sickness bug as well. So now that everyone's better and I've got about an hour before I need to go and do the school run, I just thought I would get this done for you. So yeah, I'm going to be sharing how I make my Yorkshire puddings, and I'm not the best cook in the world, but for some reason I think I can make really good Yorkshire puddings, and you must think so too because, you know, you've requested to see how I make them. So yeah, I'm going to show you, and please do let me know if you do try them and how they turn out. Okay, so the first thing you'll need is a muffin tin, and I've got this silicone one which I got from Amazon, which I think works really well. And I'm just going to put some oil into each of the holes. I don't measure out how much I put in, but you'll see I just tip a little bit in each hole. And then you need to pop it in the oven to make sure that the oil gets really hot before you put the batter in. So whilst the oil is heating up in the oven, I will make the batter and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so now that the oil is heating up in the oven, I'm going to make the batter. So I'm pouring in plain flour into a jug, which is on the scale, so I can measure out 140 grams. It is a little bit over, but that'll be okay. And then I've got 4 eggs, and what I'm going to do is make a little well in the middle of the flour to crack the eggs into, and then I will give that a whisk. Okay, so now I'm going to whisk up the flour and the eggs. I just wanted to check if anyone has ever seen anyone else whisking like this. I roll the whisk in between my hands, and I feel like it saves my arm from aching, and it works well, it goes quickly, almost like an electric whisk in a way. Obviously not as good, but it just saves me getting the electric whisk out. But yeah, maybe that's a little hack for you. If you haven't tried it, give it a go and let me know if it works for you too. But anyway, yeah, whisk that all together, and then I will add in 200 mils of milk, and you add that a little bit at a time, whisking it in. And then I was going to mention I do use oat milk, but the recipe doesn't ask for oat milk. That's just the only milk that I have. So you can use any milk, but yeah, if you want to make it exactly as I do, then I just use any oat milk. Thought I would mention that here you could add in some seasonings if you wanted to. I do sometimes put a bit of salt and pepper in. This time I didn't, but yeah, there's an option to do that if you want to. Now that the oil is hot and the batter is ready, I'm just going to tip an even amount into each hole, and then I'll put it back into the oven. And it normally takes around half an hour, but I just keep an eye on it. And a top tip is do not open the oven door until they are definitely ready, because they will go down and they won't be as big if you let in the cold before they're ready. So yeah, I feel like it normally takes about half an hour, but I will just keep looking through the glass, and when they look nice and big and crispy, then I'll take them out. Okay, so here are the finished Yorkshire puddings. I think they look really good and they tasted amazing too. So yeah, I'll show you now what we had them with, and please do let me know if you tried them and how they turn out for you. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye!